Much, my lovely lady. I really appreciate being here today with all of you and friends of Karachi. शुक्रिया आपका बहुत बहुत कि आपने हमें इनवाइट किया है. You know, मैं सोचती हूँ हमेशा कि हलीम जो है वो कनाडा की पॉपुलेशन जैसा है. You know, थोड़ा सा ये, थोड़ा सा वो, थोड़ी सी प्रोटीन, थोड़ी सी दाल, थोड़ी सी मसाले. That is what we are as Canadians. And I just love how many people are out and about here, how many people are coming together to build community. Community build करना कोई आसान चीज़ नहीं है. Community build करना, Canada को build करना कोई आसान चीज़ नहीं है. And हम सब का फर्ज है कि हम कोशिश करें from जो भी हमारी possibilities हो, जो भी हमारी capabilities हो, with that respect. At the federal level, मैं पूरी कोशिश करती हूँ कि कनाडा और पाकिस्तान की relationship build होती रहे, that it comes to a fruition. And you know, whether it is through the international student visa program, whether it is through building more and more trade, which we've done about $13 billion of trade with Pakistan, whether it is through making sure that our people-to-people business is intact, we have a role to play amongst all of us. And I am here to help provide support for that. But today, I think we are all here to enjoy Halim from the beautiful, beautiful city of Karachi. And I look forward to continuing to work for our community. And inshallah, may our community continue to grow, to prosper here in Canada with our 300,000 people strong. And I wish all of you a very belated Pakistan Independence Day, and I have a small token of appreciation on behalf of the Government of Canada and myself as Member of Parliament in Mississauga, Erin Mills, for the Friends of Karachi Toronto chapter for your immense contributions in putting this event together and for your service to the community. The success of the Ehtisham Halim gathering is a testament to your hard work, and it is truly commendable. Congratulations, and I wish you all the very, very best in your future endeavors. So I'll ask our organizers to perhaps come up for a quick second and receive this token of appreciation. Thank you so much, Mazhar Bhai. I appreciate that. And thank you everyone for being here today.
Thank you, Iqra, so much.
عرفان بابا ملک ٹورنٹو
बहुत खुशी होती है जब